Hello to all my lock stars out there and to the upcoming locticians who are needing to know about this method that I use, and other locticians as well. The method that is used to keep the roots tight is the interlocking method. So first thing that I would like the hair to be a little wet at the roots, and gel is not always necessary, but I like it because it gives it that nice clean look. So as you can see, I'm using a crochet hook to pull the tip through. I go through the root, loop it onto the crochet hook and pull it through. It is just like seasoning. It's very simple, and you just eye it as you go. As you can see, I only looped it twice, and there's some on her head that I had to loop 3 times. Let me give you one more demonstration. That's one loop, and you guys notice the last loop always ends going down. Okay, I usually show some of my students the north, south, east, west method, and notice as I am interlocking, I always end the last loop going south. Okay, so check this out, guys. When I see any loose hair, this is called the training method. You are training the locks to stay together. Okay, so I go loop, and then this is the last one, south. There we go. Again, I call this the compass method. So you guys get you a crochet hook. They're only $1 at any beauty supply store, well, at least in Miami, and you can practice and you can get this. It's very, very easy. And just come on, guys, educate yourself and get your things together. Increase your services on your menu. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the results at the end. Thank you for watching.